In a quiet village, a loving couple lives a peaceful life together. But one day, something truly unexpected happens. Their home begins to float among the clouds. When they wake up and open the door, they are shocked to see nothing but endless clouds surrounding them. At first, they feel frightened and confused, unsure of what to do. With hesitation, they step forward onto the clouds, and to their surprise, they can walk on them. Slowly, their fear turns into wonder, and they begin to adapt to this magical new reality. As time passes, life continues in this unusual place. Soon, the wife begins preparing a meal. From the small garden on their balcony, she gathers fresh vegetables, then carefully chops and prepares them, getting everything ready for cooking. Now, they gather some clouds and magically turn them into water. Using that water, they carefully wash the vegetables, making them clean and ready for cooking. Now, they begin the cooking process. First, they place a pot over the stove and pour in a suitable amount of oil. Then, they add all the spices, followed by the vegetables, and cook them into a delicious stir-fry. Now, the husband catches a bird. After that, he carefully prepares it for cooking, cleaning and cutting it properly. Then, he adds it to the cooking process, preparing another delicious dish. Now she prepares the dough by mixing flour and water. Then she shapes the flatbreads and fries them in oil until they turn golden and crispy. These warm parathas will be enjoyed with the vegetable dish and the cooked bird meat. Finally, all the cooking is complete. The husband and wife sit together, arranging the food beautifully. Just as they are about to take their first bite, suddenly, they wake up. As they open their eyes, they find themselves back inside their small home on the ground. Slowly, they realize that everything, the floating clouds, the magical cooking, and the entire adventure was just a dream.